Hey everybody, this is Donnie from AdX Clubs, and today's exercise is the uppercut using the mace. Begin with an over-under grip. My under grip is near the knob, my over grip is near the weight, and just like throwing an uppercut punch, you're going to be doing that, but you're going to use your under grip hand to let the mace slide through, and that's your guard hand. Boom. So, begin with the arms long. I'm going to do it towards you first, and notice I am sliding the mace through my under grip hand. Boom. Just like that. The over grip hand is near the weight. Begin with the arms long. From the side, this is what it looks like. Now, if you guys want to do it a little bit more with more torso rotation or a little bit harder and a little more violent to practice punching, drop the knee that the punch is being thrown from. So, like that. Again, the guard hand comes up and the punch comes up. Put it all together, nice straight arms. Boom. See that? Knockout. Give that one a try. Peace.